These are the elevators at the Freedom Garage at the VA hospital in Gainesville, Florida. Took a little while to register my call there. Let's go 5. There's also a panel right here. Here we go.
Fifth floor.
Here we are at 5. This is a little loose. We're gonna go down to ground. When I press it on the main COP, it lights up on this one. £4,000 capacity on this one, is said right down here. It's really interesting how they installed the second panel right next to the
Ground floor.
original. One right here, one right here. They're both about the same height too. So let's send this one
Going
up,
up.
and let's try to get the other one. I'll cut the one we get. Let's go up to 5. This one is the same panel on the left side now.
Fifth floor.
We're at 5. Let's go down to G.
Going down.
This one has a GAL interlock right there. You can see there's another garage out that way. I believe that's a staff garage for UF Health. Again, £4,000 capacity. No certificates on either of these elevators, at least not publicly being displayed.
Ground floor.
And door stays open for a while. There it goes. And that's it.